Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, May 26. One of the 12 universal shame categories is body image and appearance. So today let's talk about befriending our body. In his book, Just One Thing, Dr. Rick Hansen offers this reflection. Imagine that your body is separate for you for a moment and consider these questions. How has your body taken care of you over the years? Keeping you alive, giving you pleasure, taking you from place to place. And in return, how well do you take care of your body? Soothing, feeding, exercising it, taking it to the doctor. On the other hand, in what ways might you run it down, feed it junk food, or intoxicate it? In what ways are you critical of your body? Are you sometimes or always disappointed in it or embarrassed by it? Do you feel let down by your body or wish it were different? It's so common to push the body hard, ignore its needs until they get too intense, and tune out from its signals, and then just drop the body into bed at the end of another long day. People can also get mad at the body and even mean to it, like it's the body's fault if it weighs too much or is getting old or sick. But if you do any of these things, you'll end up paying a big price, since you are not separate from your body after all. Its needs and pleasures and pains are your own, and its fate will be your own someday. On the other hand, if you treat your body well, like a good friend, you'll feel better, have more energy, be more resilient. I know it's easier said than done, but practice makes perfect. So let's explore now how we can make befriending our body a consistent daily practice. Take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. There is nothing to fix about your breathing right now, just like there is nothing to fix about you. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your whole being, a sense of freedom, allowing all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now remember a time when you treated a good friend well. What was your attitude toward your friend? And what kinds of things did you do with them? And most importantly, how did it feel to be kind to your friend? Now imagine a day of treating your body like another good friend. Imagine loving this friend, your body, as you wake up and help it out of bed, being gentle with it, staying connected to it, not rushing about. What would this feel like? Imagine cherishing your body as you move through the morning, helping it kindly to some water, giving it a nice shower, serving it healthy and delicious food. Imagine treating your body with love as you do other activities, such as driving, caring for children, exercising, doing dishes, having sex, brushing your teeth. How would that feel? You'd likely experience less stress, more relaxation and calm, right? More pleasure, more ease, and more of a sense of being in control of your life, even. Plus, an implicit sense of being kind to yourself, since you don't just have a body, you are your body. Treating it well is treating you well. If your body could speak, what might it say to you after being treated with love for a day? If you could talk to your body, what might you say? Maybe even set an intention to write a letter to your body, telling it how you felt about it in the past and how you want to be kinder to it now. Remember, kindness begins at home, and your home is your body. As you stay with this reflection, I'm going to read a poem for you from Donna Ashworth. It's titled, I Wonder If You Know. I wonder if you know the work your body has done today and every day. How much disease it has fought off. How many times it could have failed but battled on. How many ways it could have broken but did not. I wonder if you know the work your body has done today and every day. And each day it has done this amazing job without your help, without your approval, your acceptance, your kindness. Each day it has soldiered on, regardless of the constant stream of negativity pulsing its way from your brain to your cells. Not good enough, not attractive enough, not the right shape. Perhaps it's time to see your body for what it truly is, an amazing and mind-blowingly competent machine to get your soul to where it needs to be in this life, to let you live. I wonder if you know how much better you would be as a team. I wonder. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel loved, cared for, at ease. May I know that I am enough. May I remember that I'm never alone. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to put this reflection we did into practice and to treat your body well, even if it's not for the whole day, but just for a few moments, a few minutes. As you do this, notice what it feels like. And notice any reluctance to be kind to your body. Maybe you'll find a feeling that you don't deserve it, that it's self-indulgent. Whenever reluctance comes up, explore it and see what it is about. and then decide if it actually makes any sense. If it doesn't, which will often be the case, return to treating your body well. As always, enjoy your discoveries, and if you feel inspired to share your thoughts and experiences, please do so here in the comments or in our Mindful Mornings private circle group. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.